Hello guys, this is Nyambu Wajen and this is Nyambu Wajen Lifestyle channel. So guys, if you are new here, please do remember to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, today I want us to look at, it's actually a question. Yeah, so someone asked me, is it good to tell your partner, come umepata new catch or someone, is it good to tell him about your past relationships, things like, okay, what you did in your past, maybe stuffs like body count and all that. Is it good to tell him or her? Ama nyi mnaonaje? So I want us to talk about it. So are you supposed to tell your partner everything, ama akae tu na mambo current yako? It's not about your past, it's about your present and what you are doing at that moment. So for me, I think it's inappropriate. Like, si poa kuambia mtu everything about you. Like, if he wants to know about you, just know about yourselves, not what you did in your past, mambo mlifanya, what you are. Like, I don't think that's necessary. It is not. But what do you think about it? Yeah, do you think it's nice to say about all that, ama utangoja find out mwenyewe, utamshow ama what? So tell me in the comment section, niambie what you think about it, ama ushaimwambia, do you tell them or what? So the thing that makes me feel that telling your partner about your past ni kama red flag. So niambie kama let's assume maybe uko na exes kama wangapi, let's say more than 3 ama 5. People nowadays, they do things, yeah, na maybe body count, let's just not mention, but si chache, si kidogo man. Yeah, so niambie ukiambia mtu hivyo, and maybe you are serious with that person, maybe he had bigger plans for you, but asikie mambo kama hiyo, aanze maybe kufeel ama kuthink ama to see you in a way that you are not. Yeah, so sometimes it can be a red flag. At the same time, inaweza kuwa being open, because relationship is about being open, trusting each other, but at some point kuna mambo hatufai kufungua, yeah, like ladies, like gents, yeah. So another thing that makes me feel like ufai kusema mambo kama hiyo, mambo na body count, your past, your exes, yeah, let's say huyu mtu anaweza kuwa serious na yeye and you end up becoming maybe an item, na maybe you get married or something like that, but unaweza pata like itakuwa inafika situations huyo mtu anaweza kuwa anakuabuse or kukuinsult with what you said. Maybe ulimwambia I had like 5 exes, labda anaweza kuambia ndo maana hukuwezana na wao, ndo maana uko sijui na body count yako iko hivi hivi. Like utapata he or she will be insulting you with things like that, na ulikuwa umemwambia juu you trust that person, you believe, like ulikuwa sure mnaenda mahali, and that's why you decided to be open. So if you have decided to be that open to your partner, yeah, just know the implications of what you are doing, the consequences that might come later. Will you be able to handle that? Ama what will become of you? Are you ready? So let's focus on that. My people, if you are watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please just do that, so that, and by the way, remember to turn off your notification bell so that every time we post a video you will know that we have posted. So, and also remember to drop your thoughts, your opinions about what we are doing. Yeah, tell me, do you like the content, the kind of content you would want to see on this platform? Yeah, so we are still talking about hii mambo ya kuwa open such that your partner will know how many exes my girl or my Charlie had, the body count and all those stuff. So tunaulizana, you kama huyo msichana ama kama huyo kijana ama what, do you think it's appropriate to be that open with such things? Have you ever been open? Relationship yako imekuwa aje after kuwa open with some of these things? But at some point I think ni poa maybe like kuwa unamshow juu, think of it, find out yeye mwenyewe. Yeah, mambo itakuwa vipi, kutakuwa aje. Yeah, you see, your relationship will change. It will be like you will develop trust issues, na maybe ni tu vitu ulikuwa unatry kuavoid. So guys, tell me what you think. For me, I think it's inappropriate, it's not right. Like I think tumejuana. Yeah, just know about us. I want us to be an item. I want us to have something real, something true. But mambo ya my past, just leave it to me. It's my past, not our past. Yeah, mambo na past, leave it for me and who was my past. So guys, that's what I heard today, guys. So remember to show up on comment section what you think about this particular topic. Yeah, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to tell me anything and the kind of content you would want to see, guys. And by the way, we will be consistent now. Yeah, najua nimepotea sana, I've not been shooting. Yeah, I've not just been consistent, but guys, trust me. Yeah, now we are to 100 subscribers. Let's hit it, and we will reach there by doing what? By you hitting that subscribe button. So guys, let's meet in our next video. I love you guys. This is Nyambu wa Jane, and this is Nyambu wa Jane Lifestyle Channel.